Hi, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jessica.
Welcome to Pronounce. Lesson 14. Today's lesson, revision of monophthongs. Okay, Jessica, we have learnt all the single sound vowels. Let's have a little practice. I will point and you will say, okay?
E,
Good.
A,
Good.
A,
Good.
E,
Good.
U, O,
Good.
A,
Good. Good. Well done. Remember, the ones with the two dots mean it is a long sound. Oo, or. Okay? Good. This time, you say and I will point.
E. Yes. O. Yes. O.
Good.
Yes. A. Yes. E. Yes.
Good. You really pronounced very nicely that long sound and that short sound. E, E, Excellent work. Well done, Jessica.